And I'm Annalise.
And today,
we're going to be unboxing the Yowie Colours of the Animal Kingdom chocolates.
Yay! And not only are they chocolates, but you get an amazing surprise inside.
Yeah. They are nut-free, gluten-free, and non-GMO.
The chocolates are also 100% sustainably sourced.
And they help save endangered animals.
So with every purchase, it goes towards animals that are in need of help. So should we get into it?
Yeah,
Let's
okay.
go.
3, 2, 1. That
Oh my
is
God.
so cool.
The colours are amazing.
This one's name's Crag.
They even have names.
Yeah.
Woof!
Aww. So this is all of them, isn't it cool? Yeah.
We'll just put them back in. So now we're gonna give them a try and
Taste test. See how they are.
Well, I'm gonna take both again.
You're gonna take
Take
both?
back both.
Okay, I'm gonna take Nap.
Ooh, sounds a bit like me.
They are so
Alrighty.
cute.
Well, beautiful
Aww.
packaging. Let's get into it.
So cool. It's got like a little red nose and a leaf hanging out its mouth and a yellow tummy. This is surprise inside. I wonder what my surprise is going to be.
Ooh, I'm excited. Okay.
We're going to make sure we don't crush it.
Oops. Yep. Oh, whoa.
Whoa. That's so cool.
This is... Ready? Mmm. It's really good.
Okay. Let's see what mine's like.
Yeah.
I'll take this little piece off the top. Mmm. This is so good.
This is really good chocolate. But don't forget the surprise.
Mm-hmm. Yum.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
3,
2, 1.
Oh. Okay.
Oh.
I believe in you.
So there's a trick. When you open these, you squeeze the sides and it pops out.
Yep. So what did you get?
I got this adorable bat. So it is called.
I'm still struggling. Okay, I got it.
So it also gives you like a fact sheet.
Yeah.
And the rarities of like your surprise inside. So see how this is purple here? That means that it is a common toy.
So
yeah.
I got this really cute little green sloth.
Aww,
It's so
that's
cute. I
cute.
love it.
What's it called?
It is called Sleepy and Slow.
Oh,
It's a brown-throated sloth, and it has a bunch of facts on the back of it, and its colour is purple, which means I have a common too.
That's so cute.
We're twinning.
Woo. So mine is the Livingstone's Flying Fox. Well, Flying Fox actually. This way.
Oh yeah, that's the branch.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine's a brown-throated sloth, and it's lucky because it's only got least concerns on here, so it's not endangered.
Mine is
Critically endangered.
guys. We need to help out by buying these chocolates. Once again, you're helping these little fellas out as well as many others.
Yeah.
So not only do you help out animals, you get the chocolates, you get the toys, and you can even have fun with them. And
Yeah.
there's 20 to collect. Don't forget.
Yeah.
So, well,
Okay. Thanks for watching.
thanks for watching. See
Bye.
you next time.